Hi everyone, I am here today to share a science experiment or an art project with all of you today. So things that you're going to need to do this experiment is some milk, Q-tips, a bowl or a plate to do your mixing in, a napkin just in case you make a mess, some soap, and food coloring, and maybe a little dish to put your soap in. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add some milk to your plate or your bowl. After you add your milk, you're going to add some food coloring to your milk. And you're just going to drop some colors. Doesn't matter where. This actually reminds me a little of our germ experiment that we did the other day. Does something very similar. Oop. Then you're going to take a Q-tip and you're going to dip it in soap. I'm going to put some soap into my little dish. Cover that Q-tip with soap, just like that. Then, what do you think is going to happen when we dip our Q-tip into our colored milk? Do you think anything's going to happen? Let's see. What happens to our colors when we dip the Q-tip into the milk? It spreads around. It moves around like tide. It's still moving even though I don't have the Q-tip in it anymore. Do you want to know why this happens? So when we dip our Q-tip into the soap and we put the soap into the milk, the soap does not want to mix with the milk, so it pushes everything out of the way. So the same spot that I put the soap, the colors are still moving, and I'm actually going to move the camera closer so you can see that where I put the soap right here, the colors are still moving, trying to push away from where that soap is. Let's see if I can put my camera back up there. So try this experiment at home. Post down in the comments below if it works for you. I did notice that when you dip the Q-tip again in soap and you put it back in the milk, it does continue to move, but you have to give it a minute or two to settle. If I do it again, while it's still moving, it doesn't move as much. See, it just moves really slow. But try different things at home. You know that it moves with soap. Try putting something on the other end. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.